In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your shared mailbox to your HubSpot inbox, making your communication more streamlined and efficient. Whether you're managing customer interactions, collaborating with team members, or simply organizing your messages, this process ensures that everything is easily accessible within your HubSpot account. To get started, you'll first need to log into your HubSpot account. This is an important step, as everything we do from here will be within your personal HubSpot environment. So, once you're logged in, you're ready to move to the next step. You'll want to navigate over to the trial guide. This area is incredibly useful, as it provides a comprehensive set of resources designed to help kick off your form-building process. It's like having a digital toolbox at your disposal, and it will be essential as you move forward. With that done, let's head over to your homepage. From here, we'll start accessing the settings that will allow you to connect your shared mailbox. Look for the Settings icon. It's usually represented by a small gear symbol. Once you click on that, it opens up a variety of options for you to customize your HubSpot experience. Next, you'll need to click on Email. This section is specifically tailored for managing everything related to email within HubSpot, so it's where we'll be focusing our efforts today. Now, scroll down to find an option that says Connect to Personal Email. It may not be immediately visible, so take your time scrolling through the list of options until you spot it. Once found, click on it, and this will lead you straight to the option to Connect Your Inbox. This is where the actual connection process begins. You'll see a field where you'll need to enter your email address. Carefully type in the email address associated with your shared mailbox. Make sure you double-check it for accuracy. An incorrect email could lead to unnecessary complications down the line. Once you've inputted your email address, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These could include verification steps or additional permissions needed to establish the connection. Each prompt is designed to ensure that the integration is secure and seamless, so follow them diligently. And there you have it. Your shared mailbox should now be successfully connected to your HubSpot inbox. This integration means that you'll have centralized access to emails and enhanced collaboration tools all within a single platform. It's a great way to keep your communications organized and running smoothly. Don't forget to explore other features within HubSpot that can further enhance your productivity. Whether it's reporting, marketing tools, or customer management, HubSpot offers a wide range of functionalities that can help you manage your business more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.